members of the media, yekani ukuthi manizwe into nge-MKP seniyotatazela sengathi kufizwe ngathi mhlawumbe makunikezwe i-MKP kuzofa abantu kwaZulu Natal. No, nothing's going to happen. If you look at the electorate, in most provinces where the party was leading, that party was given a chance to lead. The MKP voted for Panyaza Lusufu to take Gauteng, if I'm not mistaken. Kanti kwenze njani kwaZulu Natal? Manezwe igama le-MKP, nomanezwe i-NFP izohlala ne-MKP, seniyolunywa utwayi. Don't scratch where it doesn't itch. I think the ultimatum we are giving, I want to emphasize. Sithi i-IFP ayikhipha uThamsanqa Ntuli, i-ANC ayikhipha uMEC Hlomuka, ayikhipha uNomagugu. Then we can talk.